I thought I'd drop a real quick video. Come join the live tonight. We're going to give away a tool. This live is not sponsored by YouTube. It's sponsored by Go Big Garage, and we're going to have a drawing, and you're going to have a chance to win a Snap-on tool. So it's a Blue Point Snap-on wrench worth about $40. So if you're not doing nothing tonight at 6 p.m., come check out the live. You know, hang around. We're going to have a wheel. We're going to spin the wheel, and we're going to give away a Snap-on wrench. So if you're not doing nothing, Snap-on wrenches are not cheap. Come check it out. It's a used, vintage, very nice Snap-on wrench. So come check it out and leave a comment to enter the contest. Doesn't cost anything, no cost to you. We will only be shipping within the United States though. If you're not within the United States and you win the drawing, you'll have to pay for the shipping. Okay, be there. Go big or go home, baby.